Hey there, Coachella Valley. Willie with Smart Tech Security here, and today we're here to show you some security and automation how-tos. Hey, Coachella Valley. Willie with Smart Tech Security here, and today marks episode 4 of our Tuesday Tech Tips. Now we're going to be going from our esteemed 7-inch edge touchscreen panel over to one of our more commonly known products, the Ring devices. Now, as you can see here at our beloved client's house, we have one of the standard Ring doorbells. This is operating on battery only, but we also go all the way up to a Ring Doorbell Elite. All of them have similar features, but there are a little more tricks in this box than the standard, but we love them both, and so today we just like to go through the app and show you guys how everything works on your end. All right, Coachella Valley, so full disclosure, we did record a video for this. It took over 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and narrow that down because that is way too much time for y'all. So I'm gonna actually separate this Ring video into segments just like I did with the Edge panel, but don't worry, I'm gonna try and keep it under 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Ring app here. Now, this is what it's gonna look like when you first open it. Right here, we have front door, we have a snapshot taken 38, 39, 40 seconds ago. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on that snapshot, and that's gonna give us our 2 options here. We have our tap to go live, which is gonna be our live feed. And then below that, we have our timeline, which is where you can go to see anytime you loaded up your live view. As you can see, we did a lot of takes here, so we have a lot of live view, but you also have motion in blue. So you have motion there, you can see everything that happens in motion. With those colors, you also have red. Now, if somebody rings the doorbell and you don't answer it, that'll come up in red as a missed ring, and you'll still have those recordings if you subscribe to the Ring Protect plan. If you don't subscribe to the Ring Protect plan, no worries. You still have notifications, you still have live view, you can still talk back and forth, but you won't get that recording. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see, I want to go back a couple days, so I'm going to hit the calendar at the very bottom there. If I hit calendar with my Ring Protect plan, I could actually go back to Tuesday and see anything that happened last Tuesday. Right, so it looks like here we have 11:22 dog walker. You know, that'll happen, right? Nothing to worry about there. I'm just going to disregard it. But that's what I'm trying to show you. We have our timeline here with our calendar to go back through certain days. Now, hey, Willie, I just want to see when motion was detected. I don't care when I looked at my live view. That's fine. You can hit the filter to the right of calendar, and you can actually select any of these features that you want to look at specifically, should you not want to filter through all the events on your own. So you can always select on that, hit filter events, or hit show all events if you just want to go through all of the events. All right, so with that, now I have a shot here that I want to keep, right? So I'm gonna hit share in the left-hand corner. Hit that, I can share with my neighbors on the neighbor portion of the Ring app. I could share with Ring if I want to show Ring something that they repost on their massive social media platform, or I could just simply hit more options and send that to whoever I want to send that to. All right, so that's it. And then we have more here. We can delete an event. We can highlight an event with the star. We can download the event instantly, or we could take a snapshot. A snapshot's going to be a quick picture of what's going on in whatever you're looking at. All right, so back to live view. If I hit live view in the right-hand corner, that pulls up our live in action moments. Now we have our screen here that's showing us our live view. Below that, we have the time. Below that, we have end live, which is going to do what? End our live. Then below that, we have a microphone on the left and a speaker on the right. Now, if I tap on the speaker on the right, we can hear what's going on, but they can't hear us. So if I'm looking at somebody and I'm like, what the heck's going on? I don't want them to hear me saying that. So I just hit the speaker. But if it's somebody you know, or if it's somebody you are willing to talk to, you go ahead and hit that microphone on the left-hand side, and you have full two-way audio. Now we can go ahead and deselect or select those at will, and as well as hit more for our picture-in-picture, keep watching the live view while you swipe away. So if something's going on and you want to go navigate to your phone to call 911 or your significant other, whoever it may be, you can do that there. All right. So that's it for that. I'm going to go ahead and X out of there, X out of our front door, and we're back. And hopefully I kept that relatively quick for everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we are going to be turning this ring video into a full-blown series. So make sure to check back in for any updates that we have. If we didn't go over anything that you were trying to find out or any questions went unanswered, keep on following, subscribe, like us, turn your notifications on so we can answer those questions for you. Thanks again for your time, everybody, and have a safe day.